Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So guys, on today's video I'll be sharing with you the house tour of this house, my house that I'm staying right now. So I'll be sharing with you the house tour. Yeah, and so for the longest time I've always wanted to do a house makeover, but it wasn't easy as I thought it would be. So after several months of working and saving money, I decided now I'm ready to share with you the makeover. And so before sharing the makeover, I wanted to show you the before, like how it looks right now. Then I'll share with you the after. And so I'll also be sharing with you different places where I'll be buying different things that I'll be using for the makeover. And so stay tuned as we get right into this video. And again, I'm going to show you like how it looks right now. I'm not going to remove anything or add anything. Yeah, I'm going to show you the way it is. So stay tuned and let's get right onto this. So as we start from the door, we have this sheer, yeah. So guys, as I moved to this house, actually I was thinking if I could place a curtain here, but then nikaona hii mlango, as you can see, this place it's very high. Like this place here it's high, and mtu hawezi angalia like from outside kuangalia ndani. So I decided to put this sheer here instead of a curtain, also because I had no curtain, so I just had to use the sheer. And then normally I usually have a carpet here, but I've washed it, so when I'll be doing the house makeover video, you'll see it. Then moving to this side of the wall, I don't have much on this side of the wall, but I have this large mirror. It's a sunburst mirror. If you have been following my mirror decor tutorials, I hope you've seen this, because I have a tutorial on how I made this mirror here. As you can see, I have a video, as you can see. So the mirror wasn't that perfect because when I started making the mirrors, I had not found a place where they cut the mirrors perfectly. But so that's why the mirror is not that perfect. But yeah, I think I'll change this mirror and I'll have another design here. So in case you're interested in this, or in case you're just interested in buying a sunburst mirror, because I make different designs, you can check my videos and you'll see I have different designs that I've made. So in case you're interested in these kinds of mirrors or just mirror decors, you can reach me out and I'll make you one. Yeah, then close to it we have this very good picture of me, got from a good friend of mine, gave me as a gift. Yeah, and I really love it. Yeah, I love it, its size. Yeah, then here I found it here as I moved to this house. So guys, I was thinking of removing it, but tena nafikiria nikitoa maybe haitakaa poa. So I'm not sure if I'll remove it or have it still there. So I'm still thinking, but anyway, that is how this side of the wall looks. It doesn't have much. And then I have this chair here, but I will not talk about it first. I'll talk about it when I talk about the other couch. Yeah. So, and then here I have this flower vase. That I made it. It's a DIY flower vase. I think I have a video on this. I'll put a link down below. This is how it looks. It's black and it has these rhinestones here. Yeah, then of it I have this Masai shanga. Actually, I don't know the reason why I placed it here, but I thought it would look good here. Yeah, that's why I placed it here. And then on top of it, on December, I made this DIY clouds. Yeah, DIY clouds. And this is how it looks. Let me turn the lights on so that you can see how it looks exactly. Yeah, then next to it, we have this TV stand. We have this flower vase. Initially, I had another flower vase here that I will show you. And actually, I also made a video of it. I'll show you how it looked before and how it looks right now. So I think I'll have to do something with this, but right now this is how it looks, and these are the pampas grass in it. On this shelf we have these more flower vases that are clear. Yeah, and guys, I'm selling these flower vases. Actually, these are for sale. I decided to place them here because yeah, I think this is the only place I can place them. Then I have this wine glass candle holder that I made for a friend of mine, but I don't know, I did not send it to her, but I'll talk about it. Yeah, so I made it, and this is how they look. Actually, it's a DIY candle holder. You can place the candles here. Yeah, and also, so I made two of them, and this is how they look. As you can see, I once used it. I placed a candle here, and that's why you can see the wax. Yeah, again on this other shelf we have the same clear flower vase. Yeah, and actually guys, you can use it for, as in, it has a lot of uses. You can use it as a candle holder, and you can also use it as a flower vase, as you can see how this one is. And also you can place inside your decorations, like as you can see, these are my decoration pearls. These ones here, the white ones. Then these beads, I placed them just for decoration. This rhinestone, so you can use it for many uses. Below it we have this mirror. Supposed to make a mirror decor, so I decided to place this one here. These ones were here before. These ones, they were here and also here, but I decided to move them. They are two of them. Yeah, this is how they look. I decided to place them inside here. Yeah, that is how they look. In case you're interested by in buying these vases, kindly text me and you'll get them. Meanwhile, let them stay here. This Wi-Fi router here. Then next to it, I have a flower vase. Yeah, this one is yellow in color. The ones I've shown you, they are clear, but this one is yellow in color. And in case you're interested in these vases, you can get them in any color that you need. You can get it. And I have this feather-like pampas grass that I made myself. I have videos, you can check them out on this channel. On top of it, we have this TV. Actually, it's 55 inch. Yeah, it's 55 inch. And then here we have speakers. Here I have a serviette holder. Yeah, that is white in color. Yeah, that's how it looks. So let me show you how the whole TV area looks. I was built to last. When the webs are weaving, I could change the past. I'm achieving, got my foot on the gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then next to it we have this wardrobe. I've placed my clothes, my things in here. As you can see, this is the first compartment. I know it's messy, but I'll arrange it. My clothes here, my two clothes. On top of it, my handbags. Here we have this laundry basket. Then on this side of the wall, I have this Masai Shanga here. Then next to it, we have this mirror, a dressing mirror. As you can see, yeah, have a dressing mirror. Then below it, we have a mat that I got from Gikomba. It was, how much was it? I think it was going for 300. Yeah, I think it was going for 300 Kenya shillings. On my next video, I'll be sharing with you different prices of different things in here. I did not want to share it with you right now, but on the makeover video I'll share with you. And yeah, moving to the bed area, this is where I sleep. Yes, you can see, I think it's a 4x6. Yeah, I can say it's a 4x6. Yeah, this is the bed area, this is where I sleep. And this is the duvet. As you can see, the duvet, two pillows. Actually, the colors are like, there is no color theme here. Like we mixed to makala, but don't worry, we will work on this. I'll be doing a makeover and you'll see how it will look after. Then I have that net, mosquito net, because this place has a lot of mosquitoes. So yeah, I have that mosquito net there. Then now moving to the living room. We have this 7-seater couch. 7-seater, yeah, it's a 7-seater couch. It's an L-shaped. It's an L-shaped. As you can see, it runs this way. And then we have that one there. Actually, this one was supposed to fit here, but this space is very small, so all of it could not fit. Decided to place it there. Yeah, so this is how it looks. That is how it looks. And then I have this mat here. I was trying to make this mat, and actually I've made it for the longest time. For the guy, I think I started making it on February, but then taimaliza tu, maybe by the time we are doing the next video nitakuwa nimeimaliza. I'm not sure, I'm not promising, but maybe nitakuwa nimeimaliza. But this is how it looks. I was making it and it looks nice. Then you have these throw pillows that are, this one here has mixed colors. Then this one is mustard, mixed color, mustard. And so I'm thinking of choosing a neutral color. Like, I don't want mixed colors. On my makeover video, you'll see that. Curtains that are cream. And actually, guys, someone told me that the right way of placing curtains is this other way around. Like, this one is supposed to face this side, but sasa I decided to just place it this way because these curtains has some reds on it, as you can see, and I did not want it to be seen. Like, I wanted this cream to match the cream color of the wall, so that's why I decided to it inside out. Yeah, moving to this side of the wall, there is nothing. Imagine nothing much, nothing going on this side of the wall. And then we have this gray carpet. I wanted the gray carpet to match the color of the couch. That's why we have gray carpet. Moving to the kitchen area, this is how it looks from here. We have this fridge. We have two kitchen tables. Yeah, this is the kitchen area. Two kitchen tables. On top of it, we have this is a blender, gas, lunch. Then yeah, that is cooking oil. Then as you can see, this side of the wall imeharibika juu ya kupikia karibu na wall, but we are going to work on this. Yeah, then here I have the dish stand. That is how it looks. Then on top of it, we have shelves. Actually, they were not there before. They were not here before, but I made them. And also I'm going to work on it. As you can see, it does not look that good, but we're going to work on it and I'll show you. Then here we have cooking pan. Ini ya kutolea mandazi. Yeah, we have these ones here. Then imagine it's that simple. That's how my kitchen area looks. Then we also have a window here, and same to it, we have this curtain that is cream. I turned it this inside out so that the cream could match the cream color of the wall. Sikuwa nataka hizi colors mingi mingi zikuwe zinaonekana huku ndani, so I just decided to place it there. Then on top of it we have a ring light that I used to cook. Yeah, and then we have the bathroom. Have the bathroom. Actually, I'm not sure if I should show you the inside. I really show you inside. I'll show you the after. I'm not going to show you today. Yeah. Moving to this side. This is how it looks. Imagine, this is how it looks. On top here, I have this box where I place my DIY materials that I'm not using as of now. Yeah, I place it here. Then here we have a sky blast where I store water because sometimes maji upotea. Then we have this sink where I wash utensils here. Yeah. Then we have this bathroom mat that I bought from town. Yeah, I bought from town. It was 200 shillings. I have jerry cans here to store water. Yeah, that is it for the video. Imagine this house aina mambo mingi, but I'll be showing you the house makeover, na hapo ndo tutaongelea kila kitu. I'll be showing you everything there. Yes.